Australia has such a mixed environment. Well, how do we help a vibrant agri-food ecosystem to evolve? Ultimately, we said the only way to do this is we need to do it at an event at scale. We need people to see and hear and talk and connect with people from overseas. And that was the genesis of evokeAG.
21 countries represented.
Why does an event like this matter in Australia?
Well, it matters because in the end, we can't be good at everything. And if we want to really keep investing in this area, you couldn't find a better choice than agri-food. We're already world-class, very efficient farmers. We do that largely because we invested very heavily in our research and innovation infrastructure.
evokeAG is a great event. It's energy, excitement, collaborative and inspiring.
evokeAG, I think, is probably the single most important event that we've ever attended.
Feels like it's going global.